What's up, YouTube besties? I told y'all I'll be right back. No shade. So today, Tinashe Hair sent me this red pre-colored bust-down wig. And I said, you know what? This wig would be perfect to install on a new model. So I said, you know what? Let me call Zari the Barbie and see if she's available to come get slayed real quick. And she actually was. So period. Introducing Zari. Hey girl. Period. So I went in with my new cap. Y'all already know I like to use liquid gold. I don't use hairspray anymore for my new cap method because anything in a can does not need to touch your skin. It's meant to touch hair, not skin. That's why some of y'all be breaking out so bad. Go get y'all some liquid gold or a glueless gel and, do your new cap. It's no shade. Now I'm putting that makeup on her bald cap after the liquid gold dries. I like to go in with a darker color than their actual skin tone, so that way when they go out in natural lighting in the sun, it doesn't have any flashback. Now I'm going in with my bold hold lace tape and I'm putting that all across her head. You see that slit right there? You want to fold it back before you pull off the silver back. So that way when you pull it with your tweezers, it's an easy pull off. I used to put it on without peeling the tab and it used to take forever. Literally do it how I told you, cut it in half, fold the split, and it's going to be like easy as 1, 2, 3, no shade. And you just pull them off with your tweezers. So after I pull off all that bold hold lace tape, now I'm going in with my bold hold lemon burst, one of my favorite adhesives off the bold hold line, because it smells so good and my clients love it too, and it holds that wig down, no shade. I'm about to do about 3 to 4 layers, and I'm just applying it real thin and evenly. Do not gawk a bunch of glue on all at the same time and then try to spread it. Once all my layers are dry, I'm going in and I'm going to place this wig. Placement is everything when you're applying a wig. If you put it too far back, put it too far up, or don't stretch it out enough, your lace could fold and it's just going to be a mess to try to fix. So please place your frontal right where it needs to be. And it's no shade. Once you get done drying with cold air, you want to go in and press that lace into the skin and just really make sure, it's melted, like you're pushing that adhesive into the lace. You guys already know I like to use my eyebrow razor to cut the lace because with scissors, it just be too sharp. And with razors, it's more of a jagged edge, so I always will use my eyebrow razor, no shade. So for this install, I wanted to do something different. And I just know Zari, she's like bold. She doesn't care. She'll try anything. She's very, very creative. And, she's not scared to test the limits. So I was like, let me just do something I wouldn't normally do. I don't think the hairstyle is that different from like what other people do, but from what I do, I feel like it's different because I just kind of stay in my curls, middle part, side part lane. I barely even like to do ponytails, so I was like, okay, let me do some pigtails, some 2 front pieces, make it look real, real like young and fresh and fun. So that's what I was going for. Y'all need to let me know in the comments if y'all was living for it or if I need to just hang it up, no shade. You guys, I promise it's no shade. I forgot to turn the camera back on so I can show you guys how I did the pigtails. But y'all it's pretty much self-explanatory. Now I'm going in doing my baby hairs real quick, and I'm going to tie her back down so I can crimp this hair up. I think this crimper is called like a bedhead waver. I know I got it on Amazon. Just type in purple crimper. It should pop up. No shade. And this hair was already a wavy hair. Tinashe sent me body wave. So it already had an S wave to it, but I just wanted to define the top and the pigtails a little bit, and it blended right in together. I actually was going to crimp the whole head, but I did the back and I'm like, this looked the exact same as before I crimped this. So I was like, let me just crimp the top and really define it and just blase whoop de whoop, no shade. Now I'm just straightening out those front pieces. I did put some hairspray on it because I kind of wanted them to give like an antenna vibe. So I didn't want it to be too flowy. I wanted it to kind of be hard and in place, and I think it did just that. And this is the final look. It came out so tea. Shout out to Tinashe Hair for sending this red bust down pre-colored wig. Y'all know I hate coloring wigs. Shout out to Zari Barbie for coming through last minute and slaying this makeup. Y'all, she did her own face. This is no filter HD camera. Don't try her. Zari is a Barbie. No shade. Period. I will put all the info for this hair in the description box. Bye, y'all.